This company is one of India's homegrown leading OEM in high-end computing solutions. The company's revenue from operations surged 172% year-on-year to 820 crore. Their profits also jumped 180% year-on-year to 85 crore with a profit margin of 10.3%. The company is currently shipping some of the largest GPU-based AI deployments in India, focusing on high-value AI integrated solutions rather than commoditized hardware sales. The biggest achievement of the company in this quarter was the successful deployment of 1024 NVIDIA Blackwell GPU. This company continues to position itself as one of the world's leading AI and advanced analytics platforms. Hello investors, today I'm here to talk about 3 AI stocks that have delivered robust results in Q1 of FY27. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a buzzword. From ChatGPT and Gemini to AI agents transforming businesses, AI has become one of the biggest technological shifts of this decade. Companies across the world have invested billions of dollars in AI infrastructure, cloud computing, and enterprise AI solutions. And India is also emerging as an important player in this transformation. While most listed IT companies are incorporating AI into their offerings, only a handful of Indian companies are almost entirely focused on the AI ecosystem itself. These companies are building AI infrastructure, cloud platforms, and software solutions that power the AI revolution. Now, before I dive into the list of stocks, let me tell you how AI has become one of the most important investment themes globally. Artificial intelligence is rapidly moving beyond chatbots and image generation. Today, businesses are using AI to automate operations, improve customer experience, develop intelligent products, optimize supply chains, detect fraud, and accelerate scientific research. According to IDC, global AI spending is expected to exceed $630 billion by 2028, driven by enterprise adoption of generative AI and intelligent automation. And India is expected to be one of the fastest growing AI markets globally, with AI and generative AI spending to reach $6 billion by 2027, growing at a CAGR of nearly 34%. But today, AI isn't just about software. Every AI model requires massive investment in GPU chips, AI servers, cloud infrastructure, networking equipment, storage systems, and data centers. And this has created a multi-billion-dollar opportunity for companies supplying physical infrastructure behind AI. At the same time, enterprises are also investing heavily in AI consulting, AI agents, predictive analytics, and intelligent software platforms to integrate AI into their operations. Now, coming to the list of stocks, the first one is Netweb Technologies. This company is one of India's homegrown leading OEM in high-end computing solutions. They are also into designing and manufacturing of AI servers, GPU clusters, high-performance computing systems, enterprise servers, private cloud infrastructure, and supercomputers. Its integrated capabilities across hardware design, manufacturing, deployment, and software gives it a strong competitive advantage in the market, increasingly focused on indigenous AI infrastructure. Netweb Technologies delivered one of its strongest quarters in Q1 of FY27. The company's revenue from operations surged 172% year-on-year to 820 crore. Their operating EBITDA grew 169% year-on-year to 121 crores, with margins remaining healthy at 14.7%. Their profits also jumped 180% year-on-year to 85 crore with a profit margin of 10.3%. The biggest highlight of the quarter was the company's growth in the AI systems business. AI systems contributed 511 crores, accounting for approximately 62% of their total revenue. The segment also grew an impressive 484% year-on-year, making it by far the company's largest growth engine. As of Q1, the company's confirmed order book stands at 2,507 crores, while their L1 orders stand at 848 crores. The overall opportunity pipeline of the company is over 10,400 crores. The management indicated that around 40 to 45% of their total order book is AI related, with the remainder coming from HPC and private cloud solutions, ensuring diversified growth. The company is currently shipping some of the largest GPU-based AI deployments in India, focusing on high-value AI integrated solutions rather than commoditized hardware sales. Looking ahead, the company remains highly optimistic, supported by structural tailwind. The company expects to benefit from IndiaAI Mission's GPU compute initiative, development of sovereign AI models, rising investments by cloud service providers and hyperscalers, expansion of AI data centers in India, growing adoption of high-performance computing by enterprises. The company also believes that the sovereign AI infrastructure has now become a national priority, creating a multi-year demand cycle for domestically designed AI computing systems. The company expects the AI infrastructure demand to be robust for at least 18 to 24 months, driven by hyperscalers, cloud providers, enterprises, and government projects. The company also believes India's AI infrastructure ecosystem is still in its early stages, with increasing investment in AI data centers, GPU compute, and sovereign AI creating significant long-term opportunities. Now, before I continue with the list of stocks, let me tell how you as an investor can get exposure to some of the best AI and data center stocks. All you have to do is visit tradebrainsportal.smallcase.com, the link of which you will find in the description. Skim through the list and select TV, AI and data center dominators theme and click on subscribe now. Enter your email, select your plan, add your PAN and phone number to the billing information and continue. Following that, you will receive an OTP on your number. Input that, make the payment and you're good to go. In just a few simple steps, you get access to a diversified basket of stocks from the strategic AI and data center segment in India. Now coming back to the list, the next stock is E2E Networks. The company is building cloud infrastructure that powers the AI model. This company is India's first listed cloud provider and has evolved as one of the country's leading sovereign AI cloud platform, offering GPU as a service, AI cloud infrastructure, model training, inference, and enterprise AI solutions. Today, it operates more than 5,100 cloud GPUs across its infrastructure and positions itself as India's sovereign provider of advanced GPU computing. In Q1 of FY27, the company reported a revenue of 157 crore, up 334% year-on-year. Their EBITDA came in at 118 crore and their profit came in at 44 crores. The management attributed this strong performance to commercial deployment of its new Blackwell GPU clusters, increased utilization, and improved operating leverage rather than merely relying on higher prices. The biggest achievement of the company in this quarter was the successful deployment of 1024 NVIDIA Blackwell GPUs, which were commissioned and immediately started generating revenue for the company. The management also confirmed that the GPU utilization during the quarter remained at near maximum levels, indicating that the demand continues to exceed available capacity. Unlike traditional cloud providers that simply rent computing capacity, E2E has built a full-stack AI ecosystem. These platforms enable enterprises and AI developers to build, train, fine-tune, and deploy large language models entirely within India's sovereign cloud infrastructure. One of the biggest differentiators for this company is their focus on sovereign AI. The company believes that enterprises increasingly want complete control over AI models, training data, model deployment, security, and data residency. So instead of relying on global proprietary AI platforms, customers can build and deploy open source AI models entirely within India's borders using E2E infrastructure. Going forward, the company is focused on aggressively expanding their AI infrastructure. Some of their key initiatives will include additional deployment of Blackwell GPUs over the coming months, expansion into next-generation NVIDIA architecture, continued investment in AI software platforms, building larger sovereign AI infrastructure, and international expansion through its Delaware-based subsidiary, which will help serve overseas customers and strengthen global partnerships. The company also plans to maintain a balanced mix of contracted enterprise workloads and on-demand AI compute services to maximize long-term profitability. The company also emphasized that the future growth will come from higher GPU capacity additions, continued utilization improvements, expansion of enterprise AI workloads, and increasing adoption of sovereign AI infrastructure rather than relying on pricing increase alone. The next stock on the list is Fractal Analytics. This company continues to position itself as one of the world's leading AI and advanced analytics platforms. They combine AI consulting, data engineering, generative AI platforms, and proprietary AI products to help global enterprises build AI-first businesses. Fractal delivered a strong start to the FY27, driven by healthy client spending, operating leverage, and continued momentum in AI transformation projects. Their Q1 FY27 revenue from operations came in at 912 crore, which jumped 20% year-on-year. Their adjusted EBITDA grew by 35% year-on-year to 154 crores, and their net profits jumped 89% year-on-year to 72 crores. A key indicator for the company's execution was the continued expansion of its existing client relationship. The company reported a net revenue retention of 117%, indicating that existing customers continued increasing their spending. The company also continued expanding their large customer relationships in the quarter. Clients generating over $1 million in trailing annual revenue increased from 54 to 58, while clients contributing to over $20 million increased from 4 to 5. Healthcare and life sciences emerged as one of the fastest growing verticals of the company, growing by 69% year-on-year. This was followed by the BFSI segment, which grew by 36% year-on-year. The consumer products and retail, which is the largest vertical of the company, company grew by 19%. Geographically, their American business grew by 24%, while their European business grew by 25% during the period. Fractal continues to transform from a pure AI services company into a platform-led AI business. During the quarter, the company's enterprise AI platform recorded early customer wins across healthcare, consumer, and financial services. Going forward, the management of the company remains highly optimistic about the long-term AI opportunity. The company believes that AI has now moved from experimental budgets to becoming a core enterprise technology budget. Enterprises increasingly require trusted AI, proprietary knowledge layers, and AI foundations where they retain complete control over enterprise data. Fractal also believes that this creates a multi-year opportunity across AI foundations, AI-led transformation, and AI for work and workforce. The company is also continuing to strengthen their partnership with Anthropic, OpenAI, and Databricks, with 5 of its largest deals sourced from these companies in Q1. Going forward, the management expects recovery in TMT vertical beginning Q2 of FY27, larger AI transformation contracts as enterprises scale AI deployments, continued expansion of Cognitics platform business. So to sum it up, each of these companies are in a different layer of the AI ecosystem. Netweb Technologies builds hardware, E2E provides cloud infrastructure, and Fractal develops enterprise AI solutions. Together, they cover nearly the entire AI value chain. India's AI journey is still in its early stages. The government initiatives like IndiaAI Mission, rising investment in AI data centers, increasing enterprise AI adoption, and growing demand for GPU computing are expected to create significant long-term opportunities. While these companies are operating in high-growth segment, it is also important to note that some of these companies might trade at a higher valuation. But if India's AI ecosystem continues to grow at a rapid scale over the next decade, these companies could emerge as one of the biggest beneficiaries. So which of these AI stocks excites you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you.